Good morning, all. I warmly welcome everyone to this inaugural session of online 1 week short term training program on an introduction to IoT and its application for a smart, transparent, and immutable ecosystem, sponsored by AICT under Quality Improvement Scheme. I would like to thank AICT for sponsoring this STTP and giving us this golden opportunity to organize the series of 4 short-term training programs. I feel honored to extend my heartiest welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor M.P. Punia, Vice Chairman AICT, to this occasion. We are grateful to Punia sir for taking out time from his very busy schedule to attend this inaugural session at 9:45 a.m. Sir is a great academician, administrator, and visionary. I still remember his remarkable speech where he explained Bloom's taxonomy in a simple way for enhancing the learning ability by saying that there are 3 vital parts in our body: head, heart, and hand. And we need to coordinate these parts in order to develop higher level learning skills. As you all know, head is related to the cognitive domain, heart is related to affective domain, and hand is related to psychomotor domain. This is the quality of good academician. Sir always explain the complex things in a simple way. Today we have a guest speaker, Mr. Bhupen Pratap Singh, IoT Research and Development Engineer at Bliss Connect India Private Limited, Delhi, for the opening session of this short-term training program. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Bhupen Pratap Singh. Today he will take both the morning and evening session on IoT protocols and provide hands-on experience of device to cloud connectivity. It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome Mr. Raman Batra sir, Executive Vice President, NIT Greater Noida. Mr. Praveen Suneja, Director General, NIT Greater Noida. Dr. Vinod Kapse, Director. Dr. Praveen Pachauri, Director Projects and Planning. Dr. Avijit Majumdar, Director Pharmacy, heads, deans, and faculty members. My cordial welcome to all the participants from different academic institutions and industries across India. It gives me immense pleasure to organize this short-term training program on IoT as a program coordinator. The objective of this STTP is to provide an intellectual, inspirational, and innovative platform for encouraging and promoting the academicians and industry people to enhance their skills and knowledge in the field of IoT. AICT has designed a mission of interdisciplinary cyber physical system for including all the next generation skills such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, big data analytics, cloud computing, augmented reality, virtual reality, and digital twin concepts. Our STTP is strongly aligned with the mission of AICTE. Internet of Things integrates all of these technologies to find out the solutions of our societies. We all can use IoT in any system to make our system more efficient and effective. Actually, for value creation, we can add IoT in any sector. With all these technologies, we can place our country at the par with other developed nations, and also we can produce next generation skilled manpower for the whole world. When we connect the cloud of things and the web of things to the internet of things, it becomes the internet of everything. In ancient times, we usually prefer agriculture first, then manufacturing sector, and finally the service sector. But now things are reversed. Due to urbanization, the farmland is shrinking day by day. To meet the food needs of population, we need IoT-based smart agriculture, IoT-based hydroponic farming. Hydroponic is made of two words. One is hydro and another is ponic. Hydro means water and ponic means work for growing the plants. So hydroponic is a soil-less agriculture. All the nutrients at the micro and macro level of the soil that are necessary for growing the plants, we supply these nutrients NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium to the root of the plant through water. In hydroponic farming, without land, we can grow vegetables, chilies, mint, capsicum on our roof and at our balcony. In this hydroponic farming, the use of IoT increases many folds. With the help of IoT, we can monitor the temperature, pH level, humidity parameters, and amount of nutrients, light required for the plants to grow. My dear participants, teaching is not an easy task these days. We all the faculty members teach the smart students who have smartphones and internet connection. They can easily verify whether we are teaching right or wrong. To deal with such a smart student, you need to keep yourself updated by attending faculty development programs, short-term training programs, conferences, and seminars. I assure you all that you will learn a lot about IoT and its applications in this week-long short-term training program. I have invited renowned resource persons from academic and industries to this STTP. Dr. Sakti Sharma, who is MTech and PhD from IIT Bombay, will take morning session on Wednesday on applications of IoT in smart agriculture. Dr. Rakesh Sahu, Additional Director DRDO, will take morning session on Saturday. He will share his knowledge and skills of IoT with you all. Once again, I welcome you all in this short-term training program. Jai Hind, Jai NIT.